Welcome to the eSIM Studios YouTube channel where we cover everything technology. Make sure you subscribe for all the latest tech news and reviews and hit the like button if you're enjoying the content. Let's go. Apple's journey towards simplified buttons is a less complicated mechanical button for the camera in the iPhone 18 to a buttonless, solid-state ones on the iPhone 20. Future iPhone rumors are going crazy with this one. With the iPhone 17 lineup now in the hands of consumers, the legendary rumor mill, which typically revolves around Apple's new products, is naturally shifting its focus towards next year's lineup. The iPhone 18, as well as the much anticipated iPhone 20, which is due in 2027, and would commemorate 20 years since the first iPhone launched all the way back in 2007. Now, a new rumor suggests that Apple is transitioning towards simplified buttons in stages. The iPhone 18 lineup is likely to adopt a less complicated mechanical button for camera control, which will be replaced entirely by solid-state buttons in the iPhone 20, equipped with haptics for user feedback. Apple's current iPhone 17 lineup uses a camera control button that leverages capacitive as well as pressure sensors located beneath a sapphire crystal surface. Now, a tipster who goes by the username Setsuna Digital on Weibo has disclosed that Apple is likely to eliminate the capacitive induction layer within the camera control button of next year's iPhone 18 lineup, retaining only a pressure sensing layer. This approach is similar to the one adopted by many Chinese smartphone OEMs, including Oppo for its X8 Ultra and Vivo for its X200 Ultra, where pressure sensors are sensitive enough to recognize light taps, firm presses, and sliding gestures. Next, for the iPhone 20 due in 2027, Apple is likely to transition towards solid-state buttons for volume keys, power on and off functions, and camera controls. These solid-state buttons are likely to come equipped with a bespoke haptic feedback mechanism, reducing wear and tear in the process and providing for cheaper repairs. The tipster claims Apple wants users to feel as if they were pressing on a mechanical button and might resort to an advanced haptic feedback mechanism to achieve this goal. Do note that Apple's iPhone 20 is rumored to resemble a pristine slab of glass, featuring a display that curves around all four edges, providing a borderless visual experience unmarred by bezels or cutouts. Solid-state haptic buttons would presumably aid Apple in achieving this goal. Remember, about a year ago, we reported on this very topic along with no dynamic island. The iPhone 20 looks as if it is going to go completely buttonless and all screen with no dynamic island. Apple is planning on placing Face ID and selfie sensors under the display. This has been Apple's plan all along, to provide all phone, nothing else. Now, something we are still keeping an eye on is the charging port. Apple ideally wants a buttonless phone, no cutouts on the screen, and no charging ports. Charging the device would resort to MagSafe wireless charging only. Slow advancements in wireless charging technology has delayed the aspirations of that. However, in a couple years, we could see true fast wireless charging standards 3.0 make its way to the public and enable wireless charging to charge an iPhone battery completely from 0 to 100 in less than 1 hour, the same time it takes a current iPhone to charge while plugged in. It sounds like the iPhone 20 could be the Apple's dream creation. Stay tuned for all your iPhone news and reviews. Don't forget, go to esimstudios.store for all your technology merchandise.